Hello and welcome back to BTech. In this video, I am going to talk about how to trade on Binance and make money without investment. Binance is an online exchange where you can trade cryptocurrencies. Binance is one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange with over 500 coins supported for deposit and withdrawal. So the link of this app is available in the video description. After installation, launch the Binance app and you will see the interface like this. First thing you need to do is sign up on Binance app and after that verify your account. The download link is available in the video description. So on the home screen you can see different icons like deposit, referral, strategy trading, earn and more. If we scroll down, here we have ranking list. Here you can see hot coins list, gainers list, losers coins list and 24 hours volume. So first of all, let's talk about how you can buy and sell the cryptocurrency on Binance app. Binance is a safe and secure platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. To buy and sell cryptocurrency, click on wallets and here you will see all your coins balance in the wallet. Here you may also deposit, withdraw, trade and transfer crypto to other accounts, as well as view transaction histories. At the top, you can see overview, spot, funding, margin, futures and earn. To buy and sell crypto, click on funding and then tap on P2P. P2P trading is a very neat feature. Binance provides a peer-to-peer trading service which connects buyers and sellers of cryptocurrency directly. If you want to buy crypto, tap on buy. Here you can see all the sellers list and at the top you can choose your currency as well like PKR, USD or your regional currency. And here you can buy USDT, BTC, BUSD, BNB, Ethereum and many other coins. Let's suppose I want to buy USDT. Here we have multiple sellers. Here you can see price, quantity and limit. And under that you can see the payment transaction methods like bank transfer, EasyPaisa and JazzCash. Plus you can also check sellers total trade and rating. Choose the seller and click on buy. Here enter amount and click on buy USDT. After it, transfer the payment into the seller account and you will get the coins. And that's it. It's so simple. And same if you want to sell cryptocurrency, go to P2P and then click on sell. Again you see here are different buyers. You can check the price, limit and payment method. Click on sell and enter the amount and click on sell BTC. Within a few minutes you will receive the payment. There is no fees charged for cryptocurrency or fund deposit. Now talk about the Binance Trading. Trading on Binance is fairly straightforward. To get started, make sure you have deposited some funds. There are options for trading pairs in BTC, Ethereum, BNB and USDT. On the screen, select a tab from BTC, Ethereum, BNB or USDT. This is what you will be trading in. Then choose your desired cryptocurrency. Once your desired cryptocurrency has loaded, take note of the left hand column which shows price that people are willing to sell at in the top half in red and prices people are willing to buy at in green in the bottom half. The number in the middle shows the last sale price. You can manually enter a price you wish to purchase at. You can then enter the amount of the cryptocurrency you wish to buy. Binance make it easy to set a limit order to buy or sell crypto at a specific price. Or you can also buy it on market price. And tap on buy. If you want to sell it, click on the sell, enter the amount and click on sell. At the top left corner we have convert option as well. You can also convert one coin to another like you can convert BTC to Ethereum, Litecoin or any other coin. If we go back to home page, here you can see referral option. From here you can invite your friends on this platform and make money without any investment. For every new user you refer to Binance, the referral will receive a commission on fees anytime the new referred user trades on any of Binance spot or future markets. You are free to invite new user via either a spot referral link or future referral link and receive commissions. And you will also get 20% commission if you join the Binance app from my link in the video description. So must check it out. And that's it for this video. Give this video a like and comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.